What is the foundation of human civilization? The answer is consensus mechanisms. When language, units of measure, currency, law, and other elements are widely accepted, it significantly boosts our ability to work together with trust. But did you know if consensus is flawed, it could bring disaster to human collaboration? The financial crisis in 2008 was caused by a failed consensus of fiat currency. Why is everyone talking about Bitcoin today? The proof of work algorithm of Bitcoin represents a step change in the currency's consensus mechanism. Consensus should not be labeled by any name. That's why Satoshi chose to be anonymous and enable true decentralization for everyone. How can we promise and contracts be ensured to be fulfilled? The secret is in Ethereum's smart contracts, which offer a mechanism for automating the enforcement of agreements through code. Now we present the next iteration of this pattern, Bitcoin, then Ethereum, until Core. CoreDAO combines the accounting algorithm of Bitcoin and the smart contract of Ethereum. Core blockchain is the first blockchain based on the Satoshi plus consensus, promoting its consensus and building its ecosystem. The three philosophical intentions of Satoshi plus are consensus, in math we trust, sharing, co-creation with community. Millions of users' free mining of core tokens represent this spirit, form a strong community consensus, and jointly promote more projects to practice the Satoshi philosophy of decentralization, building a digital world in a protocol-based, transparent, more equitable, and justice.